Daza, welcome to class, beautiful people. النهارده we're going to take subject-verb agreement. Okay. ده الدروس اللي بنقول عليها الأساس، صح؟ طلبة كتير بيجي يبدأوا الدروس ومش فاهمين يعني إيه الجملة، مش فاهمين يعني إيه complete idea، مش عارفين يعني إيه incomplete idea. ومن التريكس والتيبس إحنا بنعملها في البنكشويشن، في relative في rhetorical strategy، في parallelism، في حدود 60-70% من الدروس نفسهم هيعتمد عليكم تفهموا ايه هو السبجكت وايه هو الفيرب، عشان ده بيبقى المين part of a sentence. So we identified آخر مرة ازاي نلاقي السبجكت، وطبعا كان عندنا problems في الدرس ده. Finding the subject of a sentence is a very basic skill، بس لو ما عرفناش identify the subject of a sentence هنتعب بعدين مع معظم الدروس، عشان أول حاجة هسألكم فين السبجكت فين الفيرب، صح؟ So احنا امبارح we brushed up on the skill how to identify the subject of a sentence. وليه أخدنا كده؟ احنا قلنا sentence or the main part of a sentence متكونة من a very basic subject and verb. So من غير نفهم السبجكت مش نعرف الفيرب، من غير الفيرب مش نعرف السبجكت. وده بقى is the main core lesson for everything else, صح? So today we're going to take an actual test lesson. We're going to take subject-verb agreement. Okay. الدروس بخصوص الverbs are pretty important. عشان if you're going to the ACT exam هتلاقي في حدود 10 أسئلة 11 سؤال بيسأل على verbs. If you're going to the EST exam برضو هنلاقي نفس proportion 4 و5 أسئلة بيسأل specifically على verbs، وحتى ممكن يوصل ربع الامتحان نفسه. Verbs is a very important lesson. So مع الverbs هنفهم يعني جملة، صح؟ So today we're taking subject-verb agreement. We're going to take the rules, the ideas, examples، كل حاجة، صح؟ أما تيجوا تشوفوا أهو الويب سايت، أما تيجي تشوفوا notes وتشوفوا video lesson، sometimes في video lesson sometimes لا. ده لي video lesson، ولكن عشان أنا بنقل دلوقتي video libraries it's disconnected، بس هتلاقوها في خلال أسبوع كل الفيديوز مرفوعة. Okay. مع الدروس دولت. So let's begin. So we already talked about part number 1. Let me zoom in on these notes right here. So we talked about خلاص part number 1, how to find the subject of a sentence. So now we're going to go into part number 2 of the lesson, 13 friendly rules for subject-verb agreement. So we're going to cover 13 rules for subject-verb agreement. ايه هو المين rules بتاعتهم. We're going to apply on easy questions. وبعد كده we're going to apply on more difficult questions. وبعد كده you're going to apply for homework. صح? So let's talk about these rules. Number 1, solo subjects need solo verbs. وهنغطي, we're going to discuss the 13 rules. مش هتفتكروهم. You're going to remember the rules في الحل. Okay? If you have a problem remembering some of these rules after a couple of days, I would recommend مثلا نحفظهم، ومش صعب يعني معظم rules, by the way. There's some tricky ones, but it's not impossible. So احنا قلنا ايه? Solo subjects need solo verbs. So if the subject is singular, your verb is singular. Think of them as a pair that prefers not to share. Okay? So here, for example, the train runs from Phoenix to El Paso. خلينا أسأل هانيا فين السبجect والverb هنا في الجملة يا هانيا؟ ممكن نبدأ بالverb بعد كده نقول السبجect. So فين الverb؟
Runs.
Runs. And what is who is running? What is running?
The train.
The train, right? So how to find the subject? Very easy. Thank you, Mrs. Hania. Number 2, plural party. Plural subjects love plural verbs. Plural يعني كتير. They're like friends that do everything together. The trains run all night long. So خليني أسألك يا كرولوس, إيه الفرق ما بين sentence number 1 and sentence number 2.
آه، حاجتين. the train راح من singular plural والverb there was an s and the s was removed when
Good.
the verb the subject became plural.
Excellent. I want you guys to recognize the subject and verb عكس بعض. So لو subject ليه s الverb ملوش s subject ملوش s الverb ليه s, right? They're opposite to one another. Rule number 3. This is a big rule عشان فيها كذا درس وراها. The and connection. When you link subjects with and, they become a team and need a plural verb. Look at this, Yalayan. Pizza and cauliflower taste great together. Where's my verb? Where's my subject? Hello,
Taste.
hello. Taste is a verb. Who tasted? What tasted?
A pizza and cauliflower.
Okay. So أنا قلت لكم this is pretty important for a few reasons. Number 1, شايفين ازاي and هنا connects two words مع بعض. When you have this طبعا احنا قلنا the verb must be plural. But there's an extra rule هنا وهناخدها بعدين بس هبدأ هديكم rules برضو. ممنوع نحط comma قبل and if it combines two words. أقولها مرة كمان. ممنوع نحط أي punctuation قبل and if it combines two words بس. Right? وهناخدها بعدين برضو. Number 4, or nor choice. With or nor, the verb agrees with the subject closer to it. طيب, either Jeff or Jane knows the answer. طيب يا عمر, دلوقتي this verb singular ولا plural?
في اس هتبقى singular ان شاء الله.
Singular. So knows is singular. السؤال بقى, Jeff or Jane, مش هما في اتنين؟ مش الverb المفروض يبقى
هو
plural؟
لا، ما هو either Jeff or Jane مش both، هو either or يعني
Either or.
يا
Okay.
ده يا ده.
So ايه السبجكت بتاع الفيرب بقى؟
السبجكت اعتقد knows what تبقى the answer.
What's the subject of the verb? No. Knows what is the
J-
answer ده الobject. Who knows? What knows?
Jeff or Jane.
لازم واحد فيهم. انت قلت لي السبجect singular so it's only one.
لا، يبقى هو plural عشان تبقى both.
No. انت مش you're not listening to the rule. The verb is connected to the closest word. فلو عندنا either or, the verb agrees with the closest noun, with the closest subject to it. Jane لو singular, the verb هيبقى singular. لو قلنا مثلا Jeff or let's say the teams. صح؟ هل هنقول knows ولا هنقول no؟
No.
هنقول no عشان the subject agrees with the closest verb or the verb agrees with the closest subject. Thank you, sir. Question number 5 or rule number 5. Collective nouns, one or many. So collective noun معناها it's a group like team or committee. Okay. Now هنا أنا بكتب أو مكتوب singular or plural. 99% of the time هتتعاملوا مع collective noun singular. Okay. 99% of the time هتتعاملوا مع collective noun كsingular. So احنا قلنا collective noun is a team or committee. So Carlos, سؤال ليك. ممكن تديني examples of other collective nouns?
Class.
Class, right? Give me one more.
Team.
احنا قلنا team.
Group. لا is it
Yeah,
there?
group. Well, group is a collective noun. في كذا واحد واحد. Thank you, sir. So a collective noun is like a group of things, right? واحنا قلنا هنتعامل معاها singular. Number 6, indefinite pronouns. So indefinite pronouns. انتوا عارفين pronouns؟ سؤال. هانيا. No, سألتك خلص يا هانيا. ليان. تعرفي البروناون؟
Sorry.
تعرفي البروناون؟
Mm.
ايه هو البروناون؟
البرونان كده زي النون.
He, she, it, they, them. So بياخد مكان الnoun, right?
أيوة.
These are
Yes.
pronouns. So indefinite pronouns دولت زي everyone, nobody, someone, somebody. Indefinite pronouns are singular. Okay, so احنا لازم طبعا نتعود على indefinite pronouns. هو فيك 6 7 مش كتير يعني. معظم مكتوبين قدامكم. They're singular. So look at this. Nobody likes to be late. Indefinite pronoun is singular. Some other small things احتمال تشوفوها. A pair is a pair. The word pair is singular. A pair of shoes is stylish. A pair of scissors is. A pair of pants is. Titles stay singular. Hanya, يعني إيه title? What does title mean?
Like it is something that wrote in the beginning of book or movie.
Yeah, the name of something. صح? Singular.
Yes.
Books, movies, singular. ما فرقتش. Mathematics is fascinating. The Avengers is a great movie. So titles are singulars. Gerunds like to go solo. يا عمر يعني إيه gerund?
هو I took it but I don't remember.
Good. Excellent. A gerund is an ing word. هو verb بس مش verb. It's actually a noun. For example, running, you see that? شبه الverb, but it's not a verb. It's a noun. Running is fun. Chilling is cool. Swimming is. Playing is. Gerunds, ing words. هو شبه الverb بس مش verb. It's a noun. Remember this برضو عشان في درس بالfragments ودرس كبير وهيقول gerunds are not verbs. انتوا خلاص خدتوها دلوقتي. Gerunds, ing words, we don't see them as verbs. They are nouns. Number 10. I'll skip number 10. I don't think we need this right now. They, I'll skip this too. I got to delete these two. 10. 12. One subject, many actions. So هو عادي ممكن يفي one subject وكذا verbs ورا بعض. لازم تتأكدوا بس verbs they agree with the subject. So here the teacher teaches, inspires, and motivates. So for example here, Hania, where's my subject? Where's my verb?
The teacher is the subject. Teaches and inspires and motivates. They are the verbs.
جميل. So this is another lesson later on with parallelism. Okay, so remember these things عشان they build on each other. Thank you there. آخر واحد, and it's actually a very big one. Do not get distracted. Okay, if there are extra words between the subject and the verb, remember the verb agrees with the main subject. The verb agrees with the main subject. So this is a tricky one with that structures or sentence structures and عايزاكوا تحفظوها, right? زي ما شايفين قدامكوا subject, comma, verb, right? Again, subject, comma, verb. احفظوها عشان تظهر كتير. Look at this example. So, Carlos, look at this. The student, along with classmates, is excited. Where's my subject?
The student.
So منلاقي subject comma automatically لازم يبقى فيه comma verb. أنا بقول عليها كوبري comma عشان double commas دولت بيوصلونا للverb. Please remember that. وفي برضو subject dash dash verb. Subject preposition verb. Okay. Subject ing phrase verb. عشان كده بنقول don't be distracted بالextra words. سهلة صح؟ I don't think it was too hard. I think it was pretty easy. So let's warm up في البداية هنا. Let's knock out some questions. Let me zoom out. انتوا عارفين طبعا بنعمل ايه؟ Oops. Yeah. انتوا عارفين طبعا بنعمل ايه؟ We send the answer choices في الشات. على كل سؤال هديكوا 45 ثانية. ما اعتقدش محتاجين كتير. These answers are easy. هم بس اختيارين. They're two options, so it's not something that requires extra time. Very simple activities. جاهزين? So let's begin with question number Kim. Number 1, no. Number 3. All right. هنقرا الجملة. Just choose the correct answer. A or B. ابعتوا لي في الchat. We're just applying the rules دلوقتي. Okay, عمر. Okay, Leanne and Hania. And crows. Look at the rule here. Let me ask you, Hania, تقدري تقولي لي الرule هنا for question number 2?
Yes, the collective noun.
Yes. Perfect. Top notch. Very good job. All right, let's go to the next one. I think it was question 5. Okay. Please begin. About to leave in chat. Good job, Carlos. Leanne, no ma'am. Omar, no sir. Anya, good job. Carlos, tell me the rule, please.
Is it ignore the preposition
Ignore the preposition. Okay. بعد كده
and the word
each is singular. ده اللي كنا بنقول عليها the indefinite pronoun. ده منهم each. So Leanne, Omar, you have a new word that you know, and now you know برضو each is a subject and it's also singular. Let's go to the next question. Question number 7. Easy peasy. The inverted sentence أخدناها مع subjects. Right? Sentence structure. Okay, Carlos? بس برضو ممكن نلاقيها حتى لو مش فاكرين inverted sentence. ممكن نسأل نفسنا what is or what are requested. What was requested, صح؟ Okay, عمر. عشان نلاقي subject بنركز على الverb وبنسأل who or what did this action. Very good job, Mrs. Hania. And Leanne. Thank you, Mrs. Leanne. So here, the inverted sentence, يعني بدل ما يجي لي subject and verb, بيجي لي verb and then the subject. The inverted sentence بيجي إمتى؟ بيجي with كلمة here, with كلمة there, or with a WH question, صح? Like, what are you doing? What are you doing, صح? So inverted structure means you have a verb and then you have a subject. Let's go to the next question. Question number 9. Mr. Carollos, good sir. Omar, excellent. Layan, no, ma'am. Hanya, very good job. Mrs. Layan, can you tell me the subject of this sentence?
The flock of birds.
One word, yeah, Layan.
Birds.
No. Remember, we ignore the preposition. Sah, the flock. Don't forget that. It's a big thing.
Okay.
So the flock, is or are? Is collective noun. So you see some things, we're mixing some things up دلوقتي. Very good job, Mrs. Layan. Let's go to question number 10, 11, 12. Okay, we'll go to them. Okay. There you go. Here we go. Hania, is that your answer, non Hania? Okay, Carlos, no. I'm okay. Hania, I would have to tell you, okay, good. Good time. Okay, Omar, tell me the rule. Specifically, you need to tell me this rule, صح? We just took this like 10 minutes ago.
بالظبط. Students is the nearest to the verb will choose فهتبقى where إن شاء الله.
Okay, okay. Yes, we're. Answer B. عشان if we have the word pair, neither nor, either or, whatever it is, the word pair, the verb بيطيع, right? That's the word I'm looking for. Obeys the nearest subject. Good job, sir. It's easy, right? I want you guys to know البراكتس عندنا بالتدريج. Don't worry. Number 15. Top notch, Mrs. Layan, Anya, Carolus. Very good job, Peeps McGeeps. Oh, top notch. Everyone, indefinite pronoun, singular, one and done, baby. Very good job. Let's go to number 17. I think it's number 17. Here we go. Okay, let me see these answers. Carlos Leyen, very good job. Remember, guys, try your best. Find the verb. Omar, very good job. Waiting on Hanya. No, Hanya, right? Remember the phrase in the middle, sa? Double comma, or double dash, or preposition. Ignore them. So the subject is the boy. Is, sa? Kobri comma. Don't forget Kobri comma. I think that was a good beginning. I think it's a good beginning. Let's try the next level, practice and apply subject-verb agreement, next part 2. I just want you guys to know, all of this was made by me. Just letting you guys know this, you know? The activities, the designs, the thumbnails, explanations, كل حاجة. So whenever you do activities with me, it's from my experience giving test prep for a very long time. So anyway, let's begin. Now, these are a bit harder. These are a bit harder. I'll give you about, whoa, 45 seconds برضو قشطة يعني. All right, please begin. This is where we start applying test strategy, and I'll show you what I mean برضو. Good job, Carlos. No, Omar. We're applying subject-verb agreement rules. So now we're applying them on more complex sentences. Layed, no as well. Okay, Hania, good. So let me go to Hania. تقدري تقولي لي the rule here, يا Hania?
That the subject is two persons.
Two people. Very good job. Alma and her brother. So we have two. Now, look at this بقى. أنا كلمتكم على test taking strategies. What do I mean by this? لو بصيتوا في الإجابات, you're going to have present perfect, continuous, past continuous. So لو شفت الإجابات دولت أنا ممكن ألخبط وأمشي بالسنس عشان دلوقتي أنا عندي tense mix. إحنا لسه ما خدناش التنس ميكس بس ده مش مشكلة. أنا عايزاكم تهتموا بيها. لو أنا عرفت التوبيك بتاع السؤال, لو أنا عرفت إيه هو اللي أنا المفروض أركز عليها, هيمانع أي حاجة ليها علاقة باللخبطة. Specifically in ACT. Specifically. Because لو أنا عايز أوصل ال 30 plus in ACT, EST مختلفة شوية with regards to difficulty. But ACT, you need to know this mistake. You need to, and practice this. With regards to EST, you need to know this mistake. You need to practice this. Let's try another one. So زي ما قلت لكم ممكن حد يلخبط بس أنا دلوقتي عارف ال subject-verb agreement. I need a plural verb مش tense. عشان السؤال الverb يا إما يسأل على tense يا إما هيسأل على agreement, or maybe both. But you begin with one. برضو I want you to practice, focus على one thing at a time. طلبة كتير بيلخبطوا عشان بيحاولوا يركزوا على كل حاجة مرة واحدة. أنا عارف دلوقتي محتاج plural verb. What do I eliminate? I eliminate answers A, C, D. I'm left with B. This is how you work. You know what you're looking for. إحنا مش عايزين نحل بالإحساس. I hate that. Let's try number 2. Follow the rules. These are some of the easier lessons, obviously. But it's big lessons. Sorry, في quotation هنا. عمر, good. ليان, good. احنا لسه ما خدناش الفكرة ديت. بس انا عايزاكم تشوفوا ازاي انتم ممكن تستخدموا other rules to eliminate. وقصدي ايه؟ very good job everyone. قصدي ايه بقى؟ احنا ما خدناش برضو التنس ميكس وبرضو ما خدناش tenses اساسا, صح؟ خدنا subject verb agreement. بس دلوقتي قرأت الجملة. This is inverted. Okay? This is inverted sentence. يعني ايه؟ في quotation, بعد الquotation بيجي الverb, بعد الverb بيجي السبجكت. جميل. بصيت على السبجكت, انا عارف بيكلمني عن Elena, singular, صح؟ بص على إجابة A, plural, غلط. بص على إجابة B, plural, غلط. بص على إجابة C, plural, غلط. D, done. You know what you're looking for? وممكن استخدم علمي في حاجة تانية to do elimination. So هنا استخدمنا elimination في subject verb agreement عشان نوصل التنس أساسا. Alright? And there's other ways to solve these questions, but this is just lesson number 1. Let's try number 3. Leanne, I'm good. direct simple مش محتاجة صح؟ No tricks here. Anya, good? I'm sorry guys, just saving this song. Omar, are you for serious right now? Omar, what's the
لا هو
subject?
ايمان دي يا مستر،
لا
ايمان
don't
دي
play
بس
with me. No no
الموبايل
no no
بقى.
no 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 no. بص
والله
خلي بالك.
الموبايل والله.
موبايل ايه؟ مش احنا قلنا داخل باللابتوب ودلوقتي بتقولي موبايل؟
ما مش داخل باللابتوب، ما اللاب مش عايز يلقط نت، اعمل ايه انا طيب؟ بيموت والكمبيوتر مش عايز يلقط نت، بيموتوا الاثنين، اعمل
ماشي
ايه طيب؟
ماشي 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 هنقول هنعديها no problem. بس مش عايز ده يبقى بداية excuses بعد اذنك.
لا حاضر ان شاء الله، بس من الحصه الجايه خلاص.
Okay. Abdullah was clear, direct, nothing tricky here. Let's try this one. Good job, Mrs. Layan. Wow. Anya, super duper crawlers. I thought this would trick you. I thought this would trick you. Don't get tricked, Omar. Bardo. What's the subject, Omar?
Understood.
anyone who has traveled يبقى ايه ده؟
انا عايز كلمه واحده. انا مش عارف دلوقتي بتقرا لي الجمله وبتبقى مش فاهم. انا عايز السبجكت. هي كلمه.
anyone.
Good. Singular or plural?
لا single.
Singular. طيب جميل. بص على اجابتك بقى. قلت لي ايه؟
اه هي ماشي
سؤال. انت
ماشي.
قلت لي ايه؟ انا مش عايز اسمع مشي. جاوب السؤال.
عملت no change.
عملت no change. اجابه A. Is it singular or plural?
إجابة ايه؟ لا plural عشان.
Plural. Okay. So now you see your mistake. مش هنقع تاني صح كده؟ Question number 5. Good job, Mrs. Layan. Mrs. Layan made one mistake في البداية. Never again. Never again. Hania, good. Omar, good. Who's missing? Where's Krolos? Where's Big K? Good. نسيت اقول لكم على حاجة. Question number 4. شايفين ازاي anyone's the subject؟ شايفين ازاي حاطين الphrase who has traveled to foreign countries? This is called a relative clause. اوكي وده برضو فيها درس بس ما علينا. انا عايزاكم بس تشوفوا relative clause ليها الverb بتاعتها ملهاش دعوة. So بنشطب عليها زي ما بنعمل مع preposition. Okay, so anyone understands. نفس الحاجة هنا with question number 5. Everyone, right, in the seminar, see the prepositional phrase. You see how the phrases in the middle, we eliminate them. So everyone believes. So everyone believes. Don't worry, we have like a bunch of these questions. Let's go to question number 6. And it slowly, progressively becomes more complex. This is a good sign. بنجيبهم صح. Okay, easy peasy, buttery, cheesy, greasy, sleazy. No. Girls, Leia and Omar, Anya, very good job. So you guys are on fire, right? Question number 6, one and done. Let's go to question number 7. Don't play yourself. Fellas, good. Look at you. Leanne, good. Anya, good. Am I missing Omar? Where's Omar? Look at you, thinking too much. You're thinking too much. What's the subject?
The subject is ثانية واحدة.
ايه اللي ثانية واحدة؟ ايه اللي المفروض انت عرفت على طول، المفروض انت جاوبت يعني عرفت السبجكت. انت بعت لي اجابة كده عرفت السبجكت.
مظبوط.
طيب ايه؟
دول البونز.
Okay. What's the verb? Okay. So you told me C, صح؟
أيوة.
Of course it's wrong. طبعا.
No change.
Leanne. No. Yeah.
Yes.
Leanne.
Mm.
ليه قلت لي إجابة B؟
عشان هي singular.
عرفتي ازاي؟ مش ده bones؟
dual bones. هي شكلها
أيوه.
singular. هي singular.
عرفتي ازاي؟ It's singular. You're correct. بس لو
Yes.
شفت كلمة bones هقول عليها plural على طول. اشمعنى هنا
عشان
singular؟
أنا قريت الجملة كلها وجربت كل الchoices.
Hmm?
baby. هي singular.
Yeah. Okay. Let me ask one more person. تفضلي كرولوس.
عشان دول بونز is a title.
ايش عرفك it's a title؟
It was described as a story.
As a story. See that? حركات بقى. So I give it B. So be very careful. Make sure you know what you're reading. زي ليان, right? بس ليان, be careful. You بتحلي دلوقتي بالإحساس. إحنا مش عايزين إحساس. إحنا عايزين straight rules من دلوقتي. عشان الإحساس ده ممكن يشتغل دلوقتي بالsenses دولت. But I'm telling you آخرك لو بنحل بالإحساس 520. So be very careful with that. We want to maximize our score. So when we're solving دلوقتي مع بعض, we're reviewing the rule. Oh, it's كذا because of this rule or that rule. Let's do number 8. Let's do this thing. I'm not even give you 45 seconds. I'll give you 30 seconds. It's a good time for this question, 30 seconds. Easy, Leanne. Right? Carlos, Lightning, good. Anya, good. Omar, good. Let's try the next one. Let's go. Ooh, we took this with subjects of the sentence. So درس داخل في درس. Okay? Okay, Carlos. This was the subject. Remember the subject of the sentence? Okay, that's time. Okay, Leanne. Okay, Hanya. Hanya, what's the subject?
belly,
No. Apostrophe S moves the subject to the next sentence. This is important تعرفوا كده عشان ده هيرجع لنا تاني في درس modifiers. Okay? So remember this, Mrs. Hanya. كلكم. Apostrophe S moves the subject to the next word. وفي phrase في النص as a stand-up comic. So here's our verb. The career was. طبعا إحساس يجيب الإجابة دي. But then as they become more complex, as you're stressed under time, you have to be sure of the rules. Let's do question number 10. This is an easy one. مش محتاجة صح؟ عمر بعتليش إجابة. Remember, time. تقعدليش
طب مستر
دقيقتين
the question
3 4 تبعت لي في اتفضل.
هو when I use have or has عشان دي بتلخبط فيها.
That's not an issue. Oh, have is plural. Has is singular. So الدرس singular versus or subject verb agreement مش tense. So we're using subject-verb agreement, ya Omar, to answer questions. Carlos, Layan, Hania, very good job. Omar, where's my answer? Where's my answer, Omar? Okay. Number 11. Carlos, Hania, yeah. See a little uptick in, a little difficulty level adjustment. Leanne and Omar, yeah, middle school students in Gateway, Alaska. This is a preposition. The students observe and students set. Very good job. And another one. Follow subject-verb agreement rules. Don't get distracted by tenses و أول حاجة subject-verb agreement. بعد كده بقى التنس والحاجات ديت. Again, good. I'm in a classroom full of geniuses. I'm sorry, Leanne, no. Carlos and Omar, yes. Where's Hania? Don't be fast and then suddenly stop being fast. Okay. Some. كذا حاجة. Plural. Would consider. الباقي singular. أنا ما أعرفش would صح ولا لا. أنا ما أعرفش. مش فاكر التنس مش فاكر. بس أنا عارفه دولت singular. Some plural. You can only have answer A. You can't have any other answer. And that's how we work funky questions, right? Let's go to the next one. It's the easy one. Well, quick answers, guys. You should know the answer على طول and give it to me. Right? Leanne, Carlos, Hania. Where's Omar? Omar is always disappearing. Good. She possesses. Singular. Next. Think about it. These are subjects بيبقى غريب لازم نتعود عليهم دولت subjects. مش لازم السبجكت يبقى اسم حاجة. صح؟ Some, each, one. Those are subjects. عشان هما pronouns. Leanne, Carlos, Omar. Good. So now we also have what? Where's my homie? Where's Hania? Why are you ghosting me, Hania? Most. Plural. Say some. Most find. Let's go to the next one. I forgot to underline. Oh, no, this one has underline. Sorry. Come on, easy. I want 100% on this, guys. Carlos. Good. And you guys might think, wow, like, I forgot to put the timer. Test questions برضو are this easy. عشان كده بنقول this is the basics course. These are very basic answers and questions we need to get 100% correct. يعني أما نيجي نشوف التست reports بتاعتنا في المستقبل بعدين أنا مش عايز أشوف subject verb agreement 1 من 3. You know what I mean? أنا مش عايز أشوف verb tenses 6 من 10. These are easy points and these are the fundamentals we practice to get the fundamental points, right? The easy, quick points. كل حد قال لي إجابة A. Very good job, guys. Let's go to the next one here. easy. Good job, Miss Leanne. Carlos, good. Hania, Omar, good. First tone, very good job. Number 17. Quick. And عايزاكم تتعودوا patterns, test patterns, patterns. You see it, you know it. You see it, you know it. Easy points, right? Very good job. Leanne, Carlos, Hania. Easy points. يعني مش محتاج مني ولا حتى 15 seconds عشان نحل السؤال. Right, let's go to the next one. These are the quick answers we get. صح؟ Think of what it goes back to, which goes back to what. Okay, the كلمة was, the subject is that. So عايزين نعرف what is that? What was thought to be too complex? So what is that? What are we talking about here? What was complex? Very good job, Hania. Omar, تقدر تقول لي what was complex? What was complex يا عمر? What was too complex?
complex in في ايه؟
What?
مش فاهم السؤال، ما تسألوش السؤال تاني.
السؤال مش بنلاقي subject ازاي؟
نسأل what or who.
اوكي. ايه هو بنسأل what or who؟
بنشوف الفيرب، نسأل who did it or what.
انا عايزك تشوف الفيرب واسأل نفسك السؤال ده.
the words.
اوكي.
الwords هي اللي was too
too
complex.
complex. اوكي. شوف اجابتك. وليه الاجابة بتاعتك غلط؟ was is singular. plural. صح؟ كل دول singular. words is plural. So what? Got it? Let's finish this activity. Number 19. Let's go, peeps. Carlos saying good. Omar good. Anya good. Let's wrap this up. The answer was A, like everyone told me. Let's finish this. Finish strong, baby. Omar good. Carlos good. Anya good. Leanne. What's the subject, Leanne?
Yes.
What appear or appears on the planet's surface?
Photos.
No, not Pluto. Crater. So the crater appears.
Okay.
All right, beautiful people. We're gonna wrap this up. دلوقتي أول حاجة انتوا خلاص عارفين, you know your accounts. Anya, if you're gonna continue, please ابعتي لي على WhatsApp. However, انتوا خلاص عارفين تجيبوا الهومورك ازاي. الهومورك هينزل بكره الصبح وابعت لكم على الواتساب جروب اما اجي ارفع الهومورك. Okay, there's going to be reading, vocabulary, and grammar practice. في أسئلة before we go today. Thanks for coming. See you Friday. You can learn anything. It's just I'm out. Bye.